This is our Deliverable 1, intended to show and outline where we are going with our project. This influence chart illustrates the factors contributing to a high net present value. This means that a soldier is earning more than they are spending and staying out of debt. A high net present value is the objective of our influence chart, so this is what we start off analyzing. There are two factors that affect the net present value, and these are spending and income. The spending is influenced by a multitude of different variables relating to the cost of living, including but not limited to debt, savings, housing, cars, food, leisure, and investments. The income of a soldier is determined by their basic allowance for housing as well as their pay grade. A soldier's pay grade is affected by the number of years they have served in the Army. All of these factors determine what we examine in the finance calculator.
Taking the factors from the influence chart, we broke down the soldier's finance plan to figure out whether they are going into debt or not. First, we looked at their income. Using a user-friendly drop-down list, a soldier would be able to put in his rank, years of service, and location, which will provide a BAH allowance. There is a section for special pay if a soldier qualifies for it, but for our example, this E5 does not. From there, the income is split based on whether or not they have a dependent. After applying taxes, the soldier would have an idea of his net pay. Next, we looked at the cost and tried to include as many factors as possible to make this model more realistic. These will all vary from soldier to soldier, but generally they will be within this range. Things that need to be added to this model are a 5-year finance plan as well as investments plans, so that a soldier can utilize and start to plan for their financial futures. The end state of this project is to provide a model that soldiers can use to easily manage and plan out their finances.